Yeah, waking up is never easy. Thanks to Bixie, one move and they can stop their alarm. And that's just the beginning. They can also control all kinds of connected devices with simple gestures. It's very useful when Alex is on his bike and can't focus on anything but the road. Or when Lisa is so busy working, doing stuff that she just can't touch her devices. Just like them, anytime you want to do many things at the same time, Bixie can help. It's smart, seamless, and easy. Well, easier than cooking, apparently. No need to stop doing what you're doing. No need to reach the device you want to interact with. You can even switch from one function to another, or from one device to another with a simple gesture. Told you, it was smart. And because Bixie is full of surprises, it also lets you control your environment. Believe me, that's something you will like. Well, you know almost everything now.
Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again.
Our lives are defined by special moments. These moments shape who we are and how others remember us. We want these moments to live forever. A camera only captures small glimpses of these moments, but it doesn't really tell the full story. Until now. Introducing LifeEye by eCapture, the world's first spherical 360-degree camera for your Android device and phone. It's small, it's light, and it's powerful. Just plug in, shoot, and instantly share. Now, each special moment you capture tells your full story. Because you will always be included in every shot. This makes for ultimate selfies. And unlike other 360-degree cameras, you get to preview your shot as you're taking it. Review and upload directly to Facebook and YouTube immediately. Your life, your moments, instantly relived by your friends and family. LifeEye is ultra-compact and lightweight, and it comes with the LifeeLink extension cable, allowing you to go above, under, and around all the action. This allows for extreme creativity, especially when it comes to dogs. Take it on your travels, to concerts, while watching your favorite teams. It will be there for celebrations and life's milestones. LifeEye will allow you to revisit moments in time that you never thought possible to relive. Can you imagine what it would be like if history's most important moments were captured with LifeEye? LifeEye. Share your world.
A smartphone that fits in the palm of your hand. This is Jelly, the world's smallest 4G smartphone. It's hard to imagine a world without smartphones, but with performance, also the sizes were increasing. And sometimes we just wish to have a smaller phone. So we developed Jelly, bringing you all the convenience and performance of other smartphones packed in a case as small and portable as possible. Jelly fits into any pocket without compromising on features. It is the perfect phone for travel or outdoor sports, or simply great as a backup phone. With the dual SIM card slots, you can easily manage work and personal calls. By taking advantage of the powerful Android Nougat system, you can get the ultimate user experiences on talking, texting, watching videos, tracking sport trails, and using your favorite apps. Jelly has 2 cameras ready to capture any moments or even taking perfect selfies. The battery is replaceable and fully charged, lasts up to 3 days working time or 7 days standby time. Our goal was to design a great mini-sized smartphone that is smaller and lighter than anything on the market, but also supports 4G network. We focused on so many details for a maximum performance, while also going through many design and testing stages, just to ensure that Jelly is reliable and looks awesome for everyone. In order to get Jelly alive, we need your support. Please join us, and let's make Jelly become real.
We are Jive Story, a company dedicated to making life more beautiful, convenient, and practical based on the motif of nature. Today we are excited to introduce Anabyte, a one-touch multi-purpose storage holder shaped into animal figures. Inspired by the bite of a predator, Anabyte can secure and store a wide range of personal belongings, including your toothbrushes, keys, pens, razors, and glasses. With one-touch design, take or store with one simple motion. Anabyte is made with urethane gel, so it can be attached to any type of surface including tile, glass, wood, or metal without damaging the wall. While having strong adhesive strength, Anabyte can be detached simply and is also recyclable. We created Anabyte in hope that it will be more than just a product for you. If you use it in your bathroom, it will take care of your personal hygiene. If you use it in the kitchen, it will keep you healthy. If you use it by the front door, it will protect your home. If you use it at work, it will help you excel. We also hope it will keep you safe from worry and anxiety when you are asleep. Anabyte will be your guide towards a simpler life. Jive Story is also a company that believes in social responsibility. A percentage of the funds raised on Kickstarter will be donated towards the protection of endangered species. We hope you will add a little extra fun to your life by supporting Anabyte and joining us in a meaningful effort to protect wildlife everywhere. Keep your stuff.
I wanted to talk to you about the Tactica One, a precision crafted tool for your perfectly crafted beers. The idea came about from a frustration of using crappy bottle openers that were clunky, cheap and nasty. We wanted to create a premium tool to open your premium bottles without the premium price.
We have spent the last year researching, developing, prototyping and testing. We wanted to make sure our design was up to the challenge. Over 80 prototypes later, we are ready to show it to you.
The Tactica One is made from a single high-tech polymer that is used as a metal replacement in aerospace and the military. It has been designed to deliver an extremely high strength to weight ratio and, even more importantly, comfortable to use time and time again.
We believe in Tactica One so much that we're providing Kickstarter supporters free shipping worldwide.
Thanks for watching and supporting us to make the Tactica One a reality. Cheers.
Make size your last worry. Meet Pico. This is the smallest Arduino-compatible chip in the world. Arduino Pico is a fully fledged chip that only measures an awesome 0.6 by 0.6 inch. This awesome tiny size comes with awesome big capabilities. Pico features 9 general-purpose pins in addition to 3 general-purpose pads. Goodbye to size limitations. Take off with your imagination. It takes only a few steps to power your DIY dreams. Simply plug it, upload your sketch, and unleash it, with no need for external serial programmers. With many applications you can do with the powerful Pico, let's show you a few. The Pico powers the PWM signal running on LED. LCD powered by Pico using I2C protocol or SPI protocol. Show your magic with Pico. It's the new Arduino for new things, new possibilities, new dreams. Be a part of the Mini-lution, Arduino Pico.
InCharge is a magnetic cable that snaps onto your keyring, making it impossible to forget at home. Since we spend 70% of our day next to a USB port, we always get a chance to top up our battery, making InCharge an effortless solution.
Thanks to crowdfunding, last year we were able to successfully deliver our product to more than 25,000 people around the world. Since then, we have been working on a new version of InCharge, based on our funders' feedback.
Today, we are proud to introduce InCharge Bolt. It's weather resistant. It comes with a new and twice stronger magnet system, high quality connectors, and most importantly, it charges your device up to twice faster than a standard cable. But there is something we didn't want to change, the tiny price.
InCharge will be available with both Lightning and micro USB connectors, in a wide variety of colors to suit each of your own personal taste.
Created the world's smallest weather station that can easily fit in your palm. Simply plug WeatherPoint into your device and start the app. Simple as that. It consists of 4 sensors for temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure and ultraviolet radiation. With this information, you can have the most accurate weather forecast anywhere you are. Also, by measuring atmospheric pressure, you can know your altitude more precisely than GPS devices. You can also measure UV radiation and limit your exposure to these harmful UV rays. The housing is made from aluminium and titanium and ensures longer lifetime. When you're not using WeatherPoint, it is safely placed on your keychain, so you don't have to worry about losing it. WeatherPoint doesn't use a battery. Well, who likes them anyway? It doesn't even require internet connection. But building hardware is costly. We invested a lot of resources into making WeatherPoint possible, and now we need your support to make it available and affordable for everyone.